Edward Mazria with Architecture 2030. The question is, what does the glass industry need to do to meet the 2030 targets? Well, we put out a challenge for product manufacturers, building product manufacturers, and that is to reduce the carbon emissions of the life cycle of a product 30% of similar products in that category. So we establish a baseline, and then we're asking product manufacturers to reduce the carbon footprint of those products by about 30% today, then moving in increments to about 50% between now and 2050. I think the glass manufacturing sector is moving quite rapidly to new types of glazing that either shade or let in more sunlight. They're moving into shading devices for different glazing systems, for different orientations, manufacturing those with glazing products, thermal break sashes. There are all sorts of ways to develop and design products for a new type of building that's essentially moving to zero net energy or carbon neutral. But I think the key element in all of this is that the product manufacturers actually reduce the carbon footprint of the products that they manufacture, from extraction all the way through to either taking down the product, disposal, or then reuse.